This video will show you how to use the Library Multi-Retriever to find scholarly articles that you wouldn't be able to find online. So if I click Library Resources, it will open up the library homepage right in Canvas, so that's easy. I'm going to open it in a new page so that it fills the screen. And say I want to search for recess. So I just type that right in there and click Search. This searches a lot of different databases that you have access to because you're paying for your tuition. Now, I can narrow this search in a few different ways. One thing that I want to do is I said I wanted an academic journal, a scholarly journal article. That's the same thing. So under Limit by Source Type, I can click Academic Journals. That'll weed out most of the sources that are magazines, newspapers, books. You do want to be familiar with what a scholarly journal actually is, so that if something slips through and is mislabeled, that you're able to identify that and not use that as a scholarly article. You can also limit by topic here. So I can look through and see that there's a lot of different topics within the idea of recess. Maybe I want to look at special education. That can help me narrow my topic for my paper, or it can help me specifically get the information that I need for my paper. So that narrows me down. I've only got 417 articles showing up now, where I had thousands before. And I can read through the titles of the articles and look to see if anything looks interesting to me. Let's look at training paraprofessionals to improve socialization in students with ASD. Okay, so this has the source information for me, the authors and that stuff. I can also click over here on PDF full text to read the article on EBSCOhost. You'll probably want to download or print the article so that you have it available and you don't have to worry about maybe the library subscription ends or maybe you can't find it later. I would not suggest using this link up here in the address bar because these links to PDFs don't usually work. You can click this chain link here to get a permalink and save that, but I would do that in addition to also downloading the file. Otherwise, you just run the risk of something going wrong. One last thing I'd like to show you is what you can do if you are struggling, right? So sometimes students have a problem with their search. They can't find the kind of source they need. They can't find the information they need. That happens. This box here says chat with us and it has a green light on. Green for go. You can go ahead and type right in here and there is someone online at the library right now who can help you. I could type in and get instant help. And you can do that too. They're online basically all day. I've seen them online in the evenings too. So feel free to click on there, tell them, I'm working on a research paper, I need help, and they'll be right there with you, able to help you in a pretty quick fashion. All right? So I hope that helps. Thank you very much.